About Bitcoin. Put it on the screen, please, because I think we're back at $10,000 a coin. Yes, we are, at 10,135. I noticed that it's gone up recently as the market's gone up, and it was down as the market went down. Is there a relationship?
Well, I think there is, and there's also a relationship with the bond market, right? When you start to have a price of money, you have an opportunity cost. Bitcoin, I think there are three things that people need to be thinking about with Bitcoin. Number one, as a currency, it's nowhere near big enough, right? It's 350 billion when it was the value of the total stock.
Well, it's not a medium of exchange.
Well, it's not a medium of exchange, but if it were, then the second problem is this. So on the first one, at 350.
So I'm glad that at least Fox News and some media outlets are kind of coming up to date, because I completely agree that this idea that we're going to be using cryptocurrencies as a medium of exchange doesn't really make sense, especially with the volatility. Just, yesterday when I was doing this video, we had a $500 billion market cap, and we've corrected. There's been a little dip, as you can see. I'll zoom in to this chart. Yeah, there you go. So we were around the 5 million mark, and we got volatility in cryptocurrencies. So my opinion is, it can be used basically to move money around, but to just sit on it and use it as currency, there's still way too much volatility. So I think there's other utilities, and I'll probably play the other segment, but I think when it comes to Bitcoin and it comes to most of cryptocurrencies, it's just going to be a store of value, kind of like precious metals. And it's going to be used, in my opinion, as a hedge, against, when the stock market took a dump, when the bond markets take a dump, people rush to commodities, and, you got gold and silver. Well, Bitcoin's the digital gold and silver. So I think that's what it is. And I'm glad that, media outlets are kind of pointing that out, that, long-term cryptocurrencies, there might be one that's more stable, that doesn't have the volatility, but for the most part, I see it as a way to send money for low fees, and a way to store value. But to use it as currency every day, especially Bitcoin, because the transaction fees are so high, it doesn't make sense. Maybe some of the other coins. But let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer and closer to our 2,000 mark, and hopefully by the end of the year, our goal for this channel is to hit 10,000 subscribers. So let me know your comments, and I will talk to you soon.